So welcome to another review video from CEZOR. So today we are going to review the Phanteks P350X gaming chassis, which is a mid-tower chassis. But the interesting thing about this chassis is that it has a subtle ARGB lights on the front and also on the side of the case just below the tempered glass. If you have a look at the front I/O, it has of course the power on button, and it has two USB 3.0 as well as the audio jack and the microphone jack. And to addition, we have two buttons over there on the top that controls the ARGB lighting of the case. The case is of course a mid-tower segment case that can house mini ITX, micro ATX and ATX size motherboards. It also has tempered glass, which is pretty much now becoming the industry standard. Apart from that, it has two SSD drive caddies which are located on the back of the motherboard, and two hard drive, your 3.5 HDD caddies, which is located on the base of the front. And the access of that, unfortunately, is that you remove the front panel and then you have the trays which you place the hard drives in them, and then you slide it back in. You can easily remove the front panel. There are no wires hanging or detaching because hey, you have got ARGB on the front. But Phanteks have come up with an interesting solution, which we have contacts located on the lower left side of the panel. So it's basically when you fit in the panel, then the contacts are made and the ARGB strip in the front is connected. So that's an interesting design that we rarely see on the front panel of cases with RGB or any kind of lighting on the panel itself. And you've got the magnetic dust filter on the top, where you can house two 140 mm fans or two 120 mm fans for exhaust. It has a dedicated 35 mm distance behind the motherboard where you can route all your cables neatly so that you have ample of cable management space. Apart from that, you have around 20 mm distance still on the back area of the motherboard tray. So even there you can route few cables from there too if you want. So this 35 mm space is something that I personally like because I am a cable management freak myself. So I really like things to be in order. The downside, the case comes with only one non-RGB fan. It's very basic, but you could replace them with any aftermarket RGB fans. The cooling for the hard drive is something where it can be good, it can be not good. It really depends on the usage. And one little tiny thing that I have seen is that the motherboard tray does not have those markings of ITX, MATX or ATX board when you are installing the standoffs, but that is only for someone who's a beginner. So that concludes our review of the P350X case from Phanteks. Like if you like this video, dislike if you did not like this video. Let us know if you have any questions or comments on the video in the comment section below, and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to know more about us and all the videos that we do, so you can stay tuned and watch more content from us. Until then, I will see you in the next video.